Next up, the museum in H6. This one's super easy to get to. It's a gigantic building with many entrances, and you'll find it all the way on the southeast side of the map in G or H6 here. Now, as there are many entrances, just make sure you pick one of them and stick with it. You can open the rest of the doors from the inside through the use of deadbolts. So, finding our way across to the museum here, there are quite a few lightly armored guards around this area, though alerting them will bring in more backup, and right over here we have the museum. Now, of course, there are many entrances, one on the far east side here. If we head up to the roof, for example, there's a locked cache on the very top here, and an entrance to the inside courtyard, where there are quite a few little loot boxes and things to pick up. These, of course, you don't need a key to get to, but it's useful to get around the building in a relatively safe way. There's tons and tons of cover. For example, over here on the south side is an entrance as well. This one, albeit a bit more grand, where we can head inside. You'll find a few more entrances as well, right in the dead center of the building, where we'll need the museum key to get inside. Anyway, it's a super huge building that's very difficult to miss. But anyway, hopefully you found this guide useful. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!